class. Good afternoon. So class, here in this video period, I am with the solution of revision 3 and revision 4. So revision 3, the first question was, where do the children wait for the school bus? And the answer is, children wait for the school bus at the bus stop. Children wait for the school bus at the bus stop. The second question was, why does Mohan tell the children to sit down? मोहन ऐसा बच्चों को क्यों कहता है कि बैठ जाओ? So the answer is, Mohan tells the children to sit down. मोहन बच्चों से कहता है बैठ जाओ because क्योंकि it is unsafe. It is unsafe. Unsafe होना होता है मतलब असुरक्षित होना. It is unsafe to walk when the bus is moving. जब बस चल रही हो तो चलती बस में के अंदर चलना अनसेफ होता है. आपको धक्का लग सकता है, आप गिर सकते हो. That's why Mohan tells the children to sit down because it is unsafe to walk when the bus is moving. Now the next question was, complete the poem. I have a tree dash to shade me dash and under it dash when all my play dash. And there was another dash for the poet's name. And the sentences of the and the lines of the poem is, I have a tree, a green green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. And the poet's name is Kate Greenaway. In the next, the question was, you have to join the numbers to find out the letters. And when we join the number, the letter comes out is C. The next one, it is K. The next letter that came out is M. And next is, you have got the unjumbled words that you have to arrange in the right order to make the words. So CKAE was CAKE, cake. DCKU was DUCK, duck. OACT was COAT, coat. And ABNANA was BANANA, banana. Cake, duck, coat, banana. Here revision 3 is completed. Now move towards revision number 4. Revision number 4, that means grammar chapter 3 and 4. Course book chapter number 3. The first question was, arrange the words to make sentences. As in revision number 3, you have arranged the letters to make words. Here you have to arrange the words to make sentence. And the first question A is, that is mango.a. And the proper arrangement of the words, the sentence becomes, that is a mango, full stop. The next one, B, man.a is he. The answer is, he is a man. Full stop. Then next is, this is toy, dot. And the sentence in correct order is, this is a toy. Full stop. E, is my father this? So what you have to write? This is my father. But remember, the first letter must be capital. This is my father. And a full stop. Next is yellow chain has dot bag a. And the sentence is chain has a yellow bag and a full stop. Now the next question. Now see the next question. Arrange the following words in their rows. First of all, read the words. What are the words? Sun, flower, camel, pen, mother, crow, mall, lion, garden, donkey, man, Delhi, teacher, school, doctor, chair. So what are these? These are naming words. Now we have to arrange it. And how we have to arrange it? We have to arrange them in animals, things, places and people column. Suppose horse is an animal, so you will write it after animal. You will put horse here, you will put sun here, you will put mall here in places column, and you will put teacher here in this people's column. In the first row it was sun, flower, camel and pen. So SU and sun will come in things column. Flower will again comes in things column. Camel is an animal. And pen is again a thing, so it will again come in the things column. Now the second row we will read. Now second row the words are mother, crow, mall, lion. Mother, crow, mall, lion. Mother in the people column. Crow in the animals column. Mall in the place column. And lion again in the animals column. See students, animals can be animals and they can be birds also. Okay. अगर आपको अलग से स्पेसिफिकली बर्ड्स पूछे जाएंगे तब आप कैमल एंड लायन को एनिमल में लिखोगे और क्रो को बर्ड में लिखोगे. बट इफ देयर इज ओनली वन रो फॉर एनिमल देन बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन दिस कैटेगरी ओनली. ओके. नाउ लेट अस रीड द थर्ड लाइन. द थर्ड लाइन इज गार्डन, डोंकी, मैन, Delhi. Garden, donkey, man, Delhi. Now let us arrange it. Garden means a place. Delhi, again a place. Donkey, an animal. Man, a person. Only the last row is left. The last row is teacher, school, doctor, chair. Teacher, school, doctor, chair. Teacher, people. School, place, doctor, again people, and chair is a thing. So we have done this question 2 from revision number 4. And the next question, revision number 4, is answer these. And the question is, where did the cap seller rest? The cap seller took rest under a tree. And what was the cap seller carrying in his bag? The cap seller was carrying caps in his bag, that we have practiced in the live class. So here it was revision 3 and 4 and their solutions. Okay. So this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.